Case study. Another case, liver. Chakravarti. Previous slide. Swelling in abdomen, fluid in abdomen, lack of appetite, developmental delay. Next. Full-time baby, cesarean, birth weight 1.5 kilos. No TB, no anemia, no congenital heart disease. Nowadays, students write BAMS normal. I was shocked. Bowel, appetite, motion, sex. BAMS is normal. MD is abnormal. Who composed this idea? You ask these fellows to read Tarka Sangraham, will you read?
What is MD, sir?
MD we have to find. Childhood liver cirrhosis at CMC value. Next. Hemoglobin low, lymphocytes very high. Platelets normal. Next. Prothrombin time increased. 13 up to 10 is normal. Next. Bilirubin, albumin low. IOT, low PT again. Alkaline phosphatase is high. Some people do LDH as a part of liver screening. Alkaline phosphatase can be up to 1000 in pediatric practice. Up to 1000 you can rate. Up to the age of 10 you can rate. Alpha fetoprotein, normal is 5, 1560. Next. They have suspected hepatocellular carcinoma. ACMC value they have diagnosed. Next. Severe steatosis, cell marrow, micronodular. Fatty liver can affect young children also. That's why no obesity, reducing idli, dosa, masala dosa, upma, parota. What else you can eat? Ultrasound, mild hepatomegaly, multiple hypoechoic lesions are seen. They suspected tuberculosis because he is a young 40 years or more elevated. Tuberculosis in liver can come. Unfortunately, all the anti-TB drugs are hepatotoxic. We cannot treat the case by modern medicine. Recently, I diagnosed the tuberculosis of prostate. Allopathy doctor called me and congratulated. TB prostate, I diagnosed after 3 months of suffering. Burning micturition, end of burning micturition, elevated ESR, pain after sexual contact, burning sensation persists after sexual contact for 1 hour. Evaluated. At the same time, Pittanubandha Avana Chikitsa, Sadavari Adikashayam, Gokshuradi Guru, Sadavari Gradam, Shirabada Anuvatanam, Murivanna Tishu, Avagata Snegam, Avabida Snegam, all going parallel. At the end, anti-TB did biopsy. Biopsy, TB prostate, very rare. We talked about it. Next. Multinodular steatosis, bone marrow, all these things. Next. Severe liver disease with hypertension and splenomegaly, both hypertension. My name is there. Next. Kubbakamala. Next. Hemoglobin low, lymphocytes very high. Platelets normal. Next. Prothrombin time increased. 13 up to 10 is normal. Next. Bilirubin, albumin low. IOT, low PT again. Alkaline phosphatase is high. Some people do LDH as a part of liver screening. Alkaline phosphatase can be up to 1000 in pediatric practice. Up to 1000 you can rate. Up to the age of 10 you can rate. Alpha fetoprotein, normal is 5, 1560. Next. They have suspected hepatocellular carcinoma. ACMC value they have diagnosed. Next. Severe steatosis, cell marrow, micronodular. Fatty liver can affect young children also. That's why no obesity, reducing idli, dosa, masala dosa, upma, Parota, what else you can eat? Ultrasound, mild hepatomegaly, multiple hypoechoic lesions are seen. They suspected tuberculosis because he is a young part, ESR was elevated. Tuberculosis in liver can come. Unfortunately, all the anti-TB drugs are hepatotoxic. We cannot treat that case by modern medicine. Multinodular steatosis, bone marrow, all these things. Next, severe liver disease with hypertension and splenomegaly, both hypertension. My name is there. Next, Kumbhakamala. Next, is already you know. Buddhavadi was given here. Next, Bhaishita Ratnavadi. Buddha. It was 1000. It became 3. Next. Chronic liver disease with portal hypertension and splenomegaly. Next. Again, Madhurasa Chikitsa, Diktarasa, Shobhagana, Madhurasa, Rasayana, Viredana, Kalyanada Gulam. Viredana, 1 teaspoon. Because below 10 years, after 70 years, textually, Viredana is contraindicated. Vasti, from birth to death you can give. Kshiravasti, Matravasti. Next. Alpha beta protein. They gave now. Next. Next. Series. Portal Doppler. No evidence of ascites. No evidence of portal hypertension in the present study. Next. Alpha beta protein became 0.6. See? Next. Next. Same to medicines. With therapy medicines, you can practice successfully. Too much of medicine is confusion. SKF, Erode SKF, Sharabungalaya, very good. Next. Alpha beta protein 0.6. Next. 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 Liver parenchymal disease, coarseness change, nodules change, no portal hypertension. Next. Alpha beta protein less than 5. Next. Like this order it came down. Next. Liver is normal in size. No evidence. No splenomegaly, nothing. Is scanned by us. Next. Again and again we were taking test. Next. This is the boy. First when he came. After that, he is alive. He is going to school studying once in a year. Simple Shodhana, Drakshadi Kashaya, Sarabungali maintenance. Once in 6 months, medicines. So, liver is a very potential area. No, sir. Only in Nigandus, Saragundam is Ekrut Visheshanam is told. Dhanvantari Nigandu, Raja Nigandu, Madanapada Nigandu, preference is there. And Brihatri, even Bhumi Amargi is not there. Brindarajam is not there. Sarpaganda is not there. Kumari is not there.
They are not depicted as anti-jaundice medicines.
Traditional, incorporated by Nigandus. That's how it is. Any question related to liver, you can ask me. Anything related to liver, abdomen. How to write a test, what to do, what not to do, what medicines, anything. Please discuss.
The effusion is severe.
Pleural effusion is kapha vriddhi in kapha sthana. You have to rule out 2 cases, 3 conditions. 1, rule out heart failure. 2, rule out tuberculosis. 3, rule out carcinoma. If it is due to other reasons, you can treat kapha ara aushadas. Dasamula kashaya, Chandraprabha, Haridagi, Dasamula Haridagi. And what I give in Charaka Samhita Siddhisthanam 10th chapter, for Kleda Drushti, one Basti is there. That is called Rukshavasti. Have you heard Rukshavasti? This Rukshavasti is given then creatinine and urea are high. In kidney disease, Vasti is contraindicated. In Kushtam, Vasti is contraindicated. But when we have done a study. When we give Ruksha Vasti, urea creatinine come down by 10 to 15%. The Ruksha Vasti, go and read it today. Told by Chakravani in his commentary in Charaka Samhita Siddhisthanam 10th chapter. He talks about Ruksha Vasti, which is Kleda Soshana. But in liver lung disease, we cannot give Vasti. The same medicine I give as Kashayam, and it reduces, increases urination and motion, and reduces pleural effusion. Tapping the fluid, aspiration, study, if needed bronchoscopy, all these things are needed. But immediately there is no urge to do that. But in liver disease, when you have a pleural effusion, we are talking about liver. Our Viredana, Ruksha, Aushada, Chitta Rasa, Shofagna alone will sufficient because it is a minimal pleural effusion. Vasti in Kushta, coming to that point. Where is the reference? In Chakravarta, Vasti Chikitsa, last word. Avastam Prabhi Nirdishtam Pushtinam Vasti Karpacha. When the clinical circumstances are so demanding, a Vaidya can do Vasti in Kushta itself. Kushta. There is a Panchadikta Vasti in Saraga for Kushta, Soriatric arthropathy we are doing. Bhavishyadat Kushta Samam. All SLEs, vasculitis, MCTD, scleroderma, collagen vascular disorders, Raynaud's phenomenon, Buschek syndrome. All Bhavishyadat Kushta Samam. It is a pleasure, study Ayurveda thoroughly. Study modern. Come back to Ayurveda. If you are in modern, stick to the modern, then it's gone. I feel every system is same. All merge. Ayurveda and Ayurveda, once you understand, I feel everything is same. Silence is same. Languages are many. There is nothing called Kannada silence, Tamil silence, Japan silence. Maunam ondana. Modi, language is not here. You talk in one language, I talk in one language.
Accidental detection of Pittashwari without any symptoms, do we have to treat?
Don't have to treat. Wait and observe. Do LFT once a year. Take ultrasound on fasting, empty stomach. If the stone is not moving and if there is no elevation of alkaline phosphatase, leave it. Give Trayanti, Rakayam, Trigadu, Guliga. Either treat like Gulma Chikitsa or Sadhanada Kamala Chikitsa. If the patient is obese and reducing weight, ask him to reduce weight slowly and steadily. If they abruptly reduce the weight, the gallstone will increase. There will be problem. If there is vomiting, if there is obstruction, if the Murphy sign is positive, if there is the feature of jaundice, ask them to remove by laparoscopic cholecystectomy. We cannot heal. Next question. I feel comparing Pittashwari with the gallbladder stone itself is wrong because we have no, but it is a Pudalinga Avyakta Vyadhi. There is no Lakshana, asymptomatic. BP is a Pudalinga Avyakta Vyadhi. There is no Lakshana. Because of this Dusha Variksha we are finding it. Otherwise, how do you know there is a stone here? When I was studying, when I was doing Vasti, I was putting hand. If you do not put the hand in the NS, you may have to put head into that after some period. So, I was putting, this finger is not going. Then after the students to bring the stethoscope and saw, this fellow's heart was here. Dextrocarditis, dextrocardia inversus totalis. I put him in the right lateral position and gave Vasti with the left hand, my left hand. So, it went smoothly. It's a document, I documented. In dextrocardia, do Vasti in right lateral position. Left lateral position, 1 crore is black, 2 crores are black, millions of crores have been found to be black. So all the crores are black. This inductive reason is wrong because they have found a white crow in New Zealand. So I tell the common manifestations of uncommon diseases are commoner than the uncommon manifestations of common diseases. uncommon manifestation of a common disease is common than the common manifestation of uncommon disease. That's all. So he is telling, he is asking, why Pittashwari Bhakti Shulam is mentioned? Bhakti Shulam is a Gulma Lakshana. Bhakti Shulam can be Duni Praduni. It is Abana Vayu Dushti. It is Abana Vayu Sangha. Give Saptasaram, Chirulvali, Varnali, Ramandra Kuliya, Hindojari. Kritsram, Gulman, Vada, Wind, Mutra Sangha. Hindojari. Your word is told, Kritsram, Gulman, Vada, Wind, Mutra Sangha. Hindojari is told in Gulman. All the Parasudis are Vastigata Parasudis. See the bit. Yes, sir.
So in Ayurveda it is explained Surapana. So it is Shamahara and all those things. How this alcohol will affect the liver particularly, and what will be the ideal dosage for the patients to explain? As well as how
We cannot tell which is correct dose. They say anything greater than 30 ml per day is considered to be pathological. Because we are telling the non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, alcohol less than 30 ml considered as normal. Alcohol greater than 30 ml is considered, less than 30 ml is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease.
like our
Greater than 30 ml is considered as alcoholic liver disease. 30 ml is okay. Red wine is okay. Red wine increases HDL. Alcohol is Samahara, Snanam, Suraja, Samaharana, correct? But it is proved that alcohol is an entity for liver disease. They produce steatosis quickly. They produce steatosis. They increase triglycerides. Triglycerides will be deposited. It is a high calorie food. It is starch. Triglycerides increase. Triglycerides are deposited in the liver, fatty liver. Isolated triglycerides increase. Isolated triglycerides need not produce an heart attack, but isolated triglycerides can produce pancreatitis. Alcoholic pancreatitis is the first problem. Then only alcoholic hepatitis comes.
So once in Kerala they banned alcohol, they started to take Drakshasava regularly. Few years back. So is there any alternative for alcohol in our climates?
I don't drink usually. Never I drink. So Draksha as a alcohol, I don't know. Red wine I have heard. I don't think there is an alternative for alcohol. And we need not worry, we should advise them not to drink alcohol.
More than that, the percentage of alcohol is also very less in Drakshasava compared to
14%.
real drinks.
14.
14. Pippalyasavam and Draksha and Mrida Sanjeevani Sura. The alcohol content is high.
Why is it only 8%?
14 I may be wrong, then I may be wrong. 12. It's there is 12. 3 items alcohol content is wrong.
So,
We tell Pippalyasavam. How many of you think that the main ingredient of Pippalyasavam is pippali? Right, lift the hand. Punarnavasavam. How many people think Punarnava is the ingredient of Punarnavasavam? Only 50 grams pippali and Punarnava is there. 8.5 kilos draksha. That is why you should read my book. There is no time to read the whole sloga. Already I have read and talked to the point. Punarnavasavam, Sopaganam, only useful in Vadasopa, because Madhurasam is the main ingredient. Madhuram is Vadasamanam, Sopaganam, Draksha and Punarnava. It is told in this text. So give for Vadasopam, not in Pittasopam or Kapasopam as you think. You hear? It is given in a juice in a glass. Even I am ready to keep it in the mouth. You should swallow. That's all. Still these fellows do not study. Even people, they don't study. Yes.
sir, when lipid levels get high and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is developed, and by ultrasonography we can detect that. And then the Ayurvedic treatment will reduce the lipid levels. May not that fatty liver respond to the treatment? At that time, what may we have to do?
No. Simple fatty liver disease, incidental finding in ultrasound with normal LFT. Otherwise, less carbohydrate diet, exercise, weight reduction.
Sir.
If LFT, I will finish. If LFT is high, if possible, do a fibro scan. There is a scan called elasticity of liver. Or if you have money, you can do MR spectroscopy. If there is no fibrosis, do Snehakara Kleda Soshana Aushadas of your choice. People give Varnali, Bugulika, Kanjana Bugul. Varnali is Kapagaram, Putnam, Kapavadagaram, Lekanam, everything. But Varnali is not having Yakritusashana property. So once you select a drug, you should be Dosha Pratiniga, Vyadi Pratiniga, Ubaya Pratiniga, Mukhya Dravya Visheshatva, Sthana Visheshatva, Prakarna Visheshatva. If you select Trayandyali, Patavala Kaduro Vinyali, Medoharam, Hitasanam, Rukshagunam, Kledasoshanam, definitely fatty liver will come down. How it will not come down? It will come down. Do Kapagara Medohara Chikitsa. Nothing else is needed. Ever pregnant, never delivers. Reduce central adiposity is very difficult. Because exercise we have to do now. Next.
Sir, 28 weeks pregnancy with Madhumeha and hepatitis positive.
B or C?
She, 28 weeks pregnancy. Hepatitis B.
Yeah, now need to worry.
A and B and also the IUGR.
Intrauterine
Retarded growth.
growth retardation. That is
Already 28 weeks. How to
overcome
tackle it?
all these things. Huh?
How to tackle it at the age of 28 weeks of pregnancy? With
First, hepatitis, whether it is active or inactive, we should consider.
Okay, fine.
If it is active, we cannot go for Virejana Aushadas, Tiktarasa, because in pregnancy, drastic Virejana is contraindicated.
It's true.
So, Tiktarasa, Shamana Aushadas like Guruchyadi, Brigatyadi, followed by Drakshadi, Chandraprabha, Kalyana Gokulam, Nitya Anulomana will be helpful in that case.
Okay,
Antiviral drugs like Bhumiyamalagi can be supplemented.
fine.
Then intrauterine growth retardation.
Oh, sure.
In Ashtanga Hridaya, what I give, I will tell with reference. In Ashtanga Hridaya, in Vadavyadi, when they tell about Avarana, in Sushka Garbham, Kashmiri Palakshira Kashayam is told.
Once again, sir.
Kashmiri book, it is there in the book. Kashmiri Palakshira Kashayam is given for Sushka Garbha. That can be given. But using the modern technologies to rule out Down syndrome and other things are very much needed. Once they are ruled out, then Ayurvedically you can treat. Because of your ignorance and arrogance, child and mother should not suffer. So use modern technologies to rule out these incurable diseases. Huh? Okay. Fat intolerance. Kapha Grahani Chikitsa is needed. It is yours. Reduce fatty diet, treat like Kapha Grahani, Musta Garanjadi, Mana Garanjadi, Vilvadi Gulika, Madhu Gasavam, Brigadi Palachurnam, Takrarishtam are highly effective. Kaiterium is effective. By lifestyle changes, post-cholecystectomy status can be very well managed and reversed.
Management for Pittashmani.
I told Trigadol, either you have to treat with Shagagara Kamala Chikitsa or you have to give Gulma Chikitsa. In Gulma Chikitsa, Kapagara Ushada, Saptasaram, Hingojali, that method. Shagagara Kamala Chikitsa, Trayandyadi, Trigadol, Mudara Kashayam, that method. Even if you treat, there is only 30% success rate. We have to treat whether it is symptomatic or asymptomatic. Asymptomatic waiting and watching is needed. If it is symptomatic and painful,